Rubrics are customizable scoring guides that are utilized to grade open-ended questions in a clear, consistent, and objective manner. Adopting rubric standardizes and eliminates bias in your evaluation process. Each rubric includes a set of criteria to evaluate the answer. Criteria within rubrics can be assigned different weights and predefined levels, providing a more accurate evaluation process. Test Invite supports multiple types of rubrics, each suits a different use case. Let's have a look at each of them. I will start by navigating to my question bank. Selecting an open-ended question and editing it. The open-ended question editor has a tab called Rubric, which I will switch to and enable. This presents me with a list of rubric types to choose from. I will select the first option and turn on the Evaluator preview to gain a better understanding of how the rubric works. Imagine you are evaluating an essay. The evaluation criteria are listed on the left side, each with a designated weight. For each criteria, there are several levels to choose from. Once my selections are made, the rubric will automatically calculate the score. You can also enable commenting within the rubric settings and provide feedback for each criteria. Once the evaluation is finished, you can share this rubric with test takers to give them a better understanding of their score. Next, let's explore the second type of rubric. Unlike the previous type, each criteria in this rubric has its own set of levels that are independent from other criteria. However, the usage is similar. Make selections for each criteria and the score is calculated automatically. The third rubric type allows you to enter an evaluation score out of 100 for each criteria. As you enter a score, the system classifies the evaluation score based on predefined levels. After all criteria have been evaluated, the total score is calculated automatically. Finally, the fourth type of rubric is similar to the one previously discussed. However, instead of entering a score out of 100, you are given an interval in which your score should fall. Rubrics have many potential uses. For instance, you can configure them to be included in a test so that the test taker knows how their answer will be evaluated before writing it. Additionally, you can set up your evaluation to be shared with the test takers once it's finished. Rubrics are an excellent tool for making evaluations more comprehensive and unbiased. I hope this tutorial provided a good introduction to how rubrics can be used. Thank you for reading and see you in another tutorial.